Is the keto diet expensive? Not really. You need to change your mindset. Look at food as an investment in your health. Hospital bills are scarier than the scariest movie you have ever seen. So, why not invest in your health now so that you never have to look at a hospital bill if it's in your control? Second, you don't have to buy grass fed, free range, pasture raised, organic food. Buy what you can afford. I mean, it's great if you can afford all that stuff, but if it's not in your budget, don't sweat it. I mean, your body doesn't have a bouncer checking. Ah, yes, today Carol ate a regular egg, so we will not put her into ketosis. And finally, because you're eating higher protein and higher fat meals, chances are you are going to be more satiated, resulting in you eating less food. Eating less food means you spend less money on food. Anyway, I'm curious to know how much do you spend per month on your groceries. Until the next video, cheers and keep cooking.